Welcome to the presentation on the golden ratio. Today we'll explore nature's perfect number. The golden ratio, denoted by the Greek letter phi, is approximately equal to 1.618. It appears in various aspects of the world, from sunflowers to the Parthenon. What exactly is phi? The golden ratio represents a special relationship where the ratio of the whole to the larger part is the same as the ratio of the larger part to the smaller part. Mathematically, phi is calculated as 1 plus the square root of 5, all divided by 2, which is approximately equal to 1.618. This creates what is known as a golden rectangle. The golden ratio is closely linked to the Fibonacci sequence. This sequence begins with 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and so on. Each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. As the Fibonacci numbers increase, the ratio between consecutive numbers approaches phi. Phi manifests itself in numerous natural phenomena. Observe the spirals in sunflower seeds, the chambers of a nautilus shell, the arrangement of flower petals, and even the formations of hurricanes. These all exhibit the golden ratio or the Fibonacci sequence, illustrating its prevalence in the natural world. The image depicts a Fibonacci spiral. The golden ratio has been used extensively in art for centuries. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci incorporated it into their compositions. It has also influenced classical painting proportions, enhanced the rule of thirds, and contributed to visually balanced and pleasing artwork. A golden ratio grid is shown. The golden ratio is evident in architectural marvels around the globe. The proportions of the Greek Parthenon, Islamic geometric patterns, and even modern skyscrapers reflect this divine proportion. Its application in architecture results in aesthetically harmonious and pleasing structures. As seen in the image, the Parthenon embodies the golden ratio. Even in modern design, the golden ratio plays a significant role. It influences website layouts, mobile app interfaces, graphic design compositions, and typography spacing ratios. This ensures that designs are visually appealing and balanced. In the image, the golden ratio has been used to divide the layout into sections. In conclusion, from the spirals of galaxies to the proportions of our faces, phi appears everywhere in nature and human creation. Phi is equal to 1.618. The golden ratio continues to inspire mathematicians, artists, and designers as nature's perfect number. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.